Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to delete a property in Booking.com. Firstly, log into your Booking.com extranet and go to Inbox, then Booking.com Messages. Click See Contact Options and under Topics, choose Account, Password, Contact, Channel Manager, Devices, and Terminate Contract. Select Terminate Contract, which means selling property, temporary and permanent closure. Then click Terminate Contract and follow the on-screen steps. Just note that deleting your property is permanent. Your listing, data and reviews will no longer be visible to guests. If you just want to pause bookings temporarily, you can set your property to closed or not bookable instead of deleting it. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.